This new app is just launched and you can't imagine the reward they are giving people. All you need to do is for you to stick on this video. I'm going to be sharing with you how this app work and how you can able to go about it. Whether you're a host or an agent, I'm going to make sure I explain everything on this video, sharing my honest experience, what I found on this platform. Okay, but before I proceed, disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I am not sponsored by Tello app. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience. Okay, make sure you do your own research before joining any online platform, and always note that results may vary, okay, from person to person. Make sure you do your own research before downloading this application. Okay, I'm just sharing my experience on this app. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up on this platform and how you can able to start earning this reward. Okay, this app is recently launched. Okay, and as okay, let me just review this app. So if you can try it out, you can actually go ahead and try this app out right now. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my Google. If you want to sign in with your Google account. I always advise that I need to go ahead and sign in. Then you're going to take me to this interface. They're going to ask me to how to present yourself. Then I'm going to write my name and select my country. Then invitation code. Though I don't even have invitation code, okay? So I'm just go ahead. As you can see, if you enter invitation code, you are going to go ahead and earn 10,000 tin coins, which I'm going to be placing the code on the screen of this video. Note, if you did not receive it, I haven't invited anyone yet. In case you add the invitation code, I didn't receive anything. So this is my first time downloading this app and I haven't invited anyone yet. I don't know how that, if you can receive that 10,000 10 coins, and I don't even know if you can actually receive it. Okay, as you can see, add your date of birth. Then you need to go ahead and select the date of birth you want to use. Okay, then you will save it. Do not click on skip. Okay, so if you are male or you're female, then you can add it as well. Okay, do not click on the last one, then you click on next. Okay, it's gonna bring you to this interface. They're going to ask you to current track. Okay, you need to go ahead and receive the reward. Okay, so now you can see this is the interface of this app. As you can see, many people have joined this app. Okay, so and here, let me tell you, and here, if you want to become agent, you can become. If you want to become host, you can become. Anyone you like, you can on this app. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so now when you look at this interface, you're going to see different country, different region, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and a lot of countries that is here already. So all you need to do is for you to, I will always encourage you that if you want to join agency, go ahead and look for your country agent and join them. Okay, I always encourage that. Okay, so right now I'm not an agent yet on this app, but I'm going to tell you what you need to do because I'm not an agent. Okay, I'm not an agent and I'm not an host. Now I'm making this video. Now you can see this thing now. Now you need to go ahead and edit your profile picture. Then as you can see, I've already edited my profile picture before, but you need to go ahead and cross check it. Okay, so that you don't make a mistake. As you can see, the country, once you want to select your country, be very careful because if you select a country, you cannot be able to modify that country again. You get? Now if you want to become agent, this is where you're going to click. You see this agent, if you click on it, you're going to go ahead and become agent. Okay, so now I'm trying to know if I can actually open my room to show you how to do it. And note, if you want to do your face verification, they're going to ask you to do your face verification. If you are doing that face verification and they will ask you to put up a password is going to pop up. I didn't video that particular place because of some privacy. Okay, they're going to pop up the password. Make sure you write that password in a sheet of paper because the time you withdraw, they might ask you that you need to put your password before you withdraw. So be very careful when putting that particular password. Now you are going to see that crown seats reward. So I've already activated my room, and this is the how the interface look. And now let me show you how you can actually perform your tax on this app. Now note, I am not an agent and I'm not an host. Even if you are not an agent and you are not an host, you can actually do this tax. Okay, so but I always encourage you, go and join agency so that it will be easier for you. So because now I am just a newbie, and you know that if you didn't join an agency, maybe in 7 days they might stop you not to do tax. Okay, so go ahead and join agency. Okay, now but now I haven't joined any agency yet. Now this is the reward you're going to get. As you can see, live duration 60 minutes is actually 80k they are giving. 80,000 is what they are giving on this platform. Now they are going to ask you that host hourly reward. Note, this second one they are going to ask you life duration for 60 minutes. You need to go ahead and gift yourself at least 6,000, have at least 6,000 points before you can actually receive this reward. Okay, as you can see, the 120 like 2 hours, you need to have at least 500k before you can receive that 24k reward on that host hourly reward. Okay, so this is how this app work. And now you can see crown it for 1 hour. Okay, you can go crown it for 1 hour, 3,000 on this app. You know, there's a lot of reward that you can get on this app. Okay, if you come to this side, it's coins that you're going to get. If you recharge, you're gonna get coins. Like now, bonus gift sent 100,000 coins, you're going to get 1,000 coins back. So if you gift yourself lucky gift, you are going to receive 20,000 coin. As you can see, all you need to do is for you to read all those things so that you will not be like, I don't know what this thing is all about. So just make sure you read all of that so that you can actually understand. Now, let me just take you here. Let me just so I'm trying to know if I can do my tax. I can start doing my tax. Now, this is my chair, and I haven't even add my profile picture, which I'm going to do after this video. Okay, because I don't want to do all of that, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, if you click on this gift box, you're going to see that I have 10 coins in this box, and that 10 coins is not actually an array coin. It's just a reward they're giving you on the app, but it is not actually a coin. Okay, now if you click on this coin, you're going to see that it's going to direct you to display that you need to recharge before you can actually start throwing yourself lucky gifts. Okay, that means it is not actually a coin. Okay, so now for you to send to yourself, you need to have a coin. But if you have these 10 coins, you can use it for fun. Okay, just for you throwing it. As you can see, let me just pick it, and I will keep on throwing to myself, and you are winning back. Oh, you are winning back, but it is not actually adding on your point. Okay, it is not it. I think, let me just say it, because it is not something that you can be consecrating, and like it's just a gift that you can receive by checking or something like that, but it is not an icon. Okay, as you can see, I'm just tapping it, and it just, I'm winning back also. I'm actually winning back. So it's just for you to use it for fun. Okay, let me just say it this way. So because I have been investigating it, and I noticed that I can't use it for anything. Okay, if you know what I can use these tickets to do, just comment to the comment section below, let me know. Okay, now you can see that if you click on this three dots, you are going to notice they are going to ask you to edit your room. Okay, either you put your mic, that anyone that want to jump on your room must apply for mic before coming to your room, or free mic. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set my room to apply for mic, because I don't want anyone to jump on my room like that. Okay, note that before you can start your live, you need to add your title. Okay, like I just said, hi, welcome. So I'll just go live. And if you want your room to be on a private, you can set your password so that if you did not give anyone your password, the person might not come in on your room. Okay, so now you can see no user mega pack. Okay, this one is for if you want to recharge. Recharging is not by force. Okay, so for me, I haven't recharged yet, so I haven't recharged. Now let me just go back and show you one thing you need to do on this app. Okay, so now this is the host center. Okay, if you click on this host center, you're going to see start live streaming. Okay, make sure you go through host policy so that you can actually understand. Okay, so if you have been on this app, you can comment on the comment section below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.